In this video, I will show you how to have multiple Monopoly Go accounts. So let's jump straight into it. So to actually go ahead and have multiple accounts on Monopoly Go, basically what you want to do is create different Facebook accounts. So what you want to do is make additional Facebook accounts in addition to your original account. And by doing so, you can connect these Facebook accounts to Monopoly Go, effectively giving you multiple accounts. Now to actually go ahead and connect these, what you're going to want to do is open up Monopoly Go on your device. And once you've done that and you're logged in, you want to come up to the menu, which is up here in the top right hand corner, these three lines. So go ahead and press onto this. And then what you want to do is come down and press onto settings. So from here, if you look at the bottom, there's a green button which says connect account. So you want to press onto this first of all, and you can see at the moment I've already got my basic Facebook account connected. So of course you want to make sure first of all that you do connect a Facebook account so you don't lose any progress. But once you've done that, you can go ahead and disconnect from your original account, and then obviously you can go ahead and connect another Facebook account. Now what you want to do once you've disconnected your original account is you want to actually come out of Monopoly Go and find the app on your device. You actually long hold onto the Monopoly Go app, and what you want to do is press onto app info, and from here you just want to come down a bit to where it says storage, press onto storage, and at the bottom you're going to see an option to clear data. So what you want to do, as I say, make sure you have connected your Facebook account initially so you don't lose anything. But what you want to do is go ahead and press the clear data button, and it's going to come up with a quick confirmation. From here, just go ahead and press delete. So what it's going to do is reset Monopoly Go, and you'll be able to go ahead and connect your other Facebook accounts. So that is how to go ahead and have multiple Monopoly Go accounts. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.